G'day folks, welcome back to the channel. It's been really bad weather the last couple of days. I was afraid I won't be able to come out today. It looks like the wind's died down. Fishing local waters again. I'm going to be fishing the shallows today. I was quite productive the last time I was here. Great. I'm going to start up with a squid jig. Ooh. Yep. Definitely a squid follow just then. Didn't take it though. Let's try again. Come on, take it. Oh, come on, why aren't you taking it? The squid definitely followed it. It didn't take it though. Let's try switching up to a pink, bright pink one. Come on, come back. Time to change to a soft plastic. So I've given the squid jigs a go, and I'd had a follow that, yeah, just couldn't get one. Right now, switching to a soft plastic. Should be some Pinkie around here somewhere. There's always Pinkie around here. Haven't had a single touch. There were a few boats out before. Ooh. Oh my goodness. That came out of nowhere. I wasn't expecting this. Slow day today. I didn't check the atmospheric pressure before I came out today, and it's sitting at 999, which is not the best conditions to fish in. Anyway, it's the first fish of the day. Maybe they're coming in from the deep now. Oh, just maybe. Oh. Another one. Another small one. I think. At least I'm catching something. I don't think anyone around here's caught anything. You know, another small one. I'm just going to switch to a different soft plastic now. Switch into a Streaks in Newt Chicken. No change of colour. Come on. Gotcha. That's the right one. Not a giant, but the third fish of the day. It's probably 28. Let him go. This is a better one. Oh, it's the same size actually. Oh no, slightly better. Oh yeah, about the same size. Yeah, about the same size. Yeah. It's either foul hooked or a better one. Oh, it's a better one. Nah, still same size though. It's fatter though. Fishing in the rain. Nice. Gotcha. Let's do that. Oh. All right, I'm gonna go in the shallows. Oh my goodness. Camera's getting wet. Ah, this is a better one. There you go. Oh, this is a good one. Oh, come on, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yes. Ha, look at the rain. Hail or shine, baby. Hail or shine. Oh my goodness. Oh, another good one. Oh, it's not coming up. Oh, it's a better one. It's okay. 30 plus. Oh, wait a minute, maybe. Oh, yeah, 30 plus. Oh. Oh. Another keeper. Oh. This is even a better one. Oh. What? No, it's still. Yes. Oh. Another keeper. Oh. Everyone's gone. There was heaps of boats earlier. Now everyone's gone. That's fallen. Yeah, it's a legal fish. Probably 30. But I think I'll let this one go. What you go, buddy? Alright folks, I'm gonna head up home now. Oh, that was an awesome little session. It was hectic for a moment there. My goodness. Alright, it's the next day. The fish has been cleaned and it's been in the fridge overnight. So we have 3 different ways of serving the sashimi. We have the skinless, the skin scalded in hot water or boiling water, and the skin seared with a blowtorch. Yeah, let's dig in.
Which one should I try first?
Up to you. I reckon you should go for the plain one first.
The plain one?
Yeah, so that's skinless. Wasabi. Wasabi. Yeah. Soy.
Very sweet.
Good, huh?
I like it.
And I'd go with the skin scalded in boiling water first.
This is more chewy.
Yeah.
More firm. I like it too.
Okay, now the last one is the skin seared with a blowtorch. Can you taste the charcoal? Can you taste the...
I can taste the charcoal, but then this is more like a tougher, more chewy. But I like the plain the best. I think it's the part of the...
No, it's the belly.
Yeah, the belly is more like a bit more fatty.
Yes. All right.
Yum. Thank you.
I think that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.